This is the copper coated oxide.
Right. Yeah.
Stuff.
This is used for nerve agents.
For nerve agents.
Yeah.
Yeah. That'll filter that out for us.
Will it?
Yes. Yeah.
Because I guess the actual gas comes in to the filter, and this reacts with it in some ways.
To it, yeah.
Yeah. Well, there's something that I'd like to tell the viewer. One is that this copper oxide is actually coated onto the zeolite,
yeah,
and because this is available in a powdered form, but powder doesn't let air through, does it?
No, that's right.
So it's no good just having a powder, because air doesn't pass through a powder.
Right. So you've got to get the air through to be able to breathe properly.
Right, so that's why it was coated onto the larger 3 to 5 mil.
Yeah, because this coated charcoal was proven to do the job. Yeah. So what they discovered, discovered this, and they thought, well, if we put this copper oxide coated over this, it'd be more. It'd be proven to be more efficient.
And we will show in a different module how to coat your own zeolite, with copper oxide, so it's suitable for nerve agents and chemical warfare.
That's right.
It's the best filter that you can actually produce. So we'll show that in another module. But there's something that I think we should add now, is that this copper oxide is readily available because they use it in the ceramics industry. So you can buy it all day long. For quite small amounts of money.
So it's quite a cheap commodity that does a brilliant job.
Zeolite is used commonly in aquatics, in fishing industry for filtration, even for cat litter. Some cat litters are made out of this. So that's available, cheap as chips, isn't it? Yeah, and of course that needs no introduction. The activated charcoal.
They've been using this for years.
For years, and that's available again off the internet. So everything is available. Yeah, so we will show in another module how to coat your zeolite with copper oxide. Okay?
Yep.
Excellent. Well, Colin, thanks ever so much for your help. That's really interesting. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.